Hi, today we'll learn how to add rectangle, triangle or diamond masks in Kdenlive. So for example, if you want to add it to video, you need to open a new project, and after that you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline. Then we need to click on our video to select it, and we need to go to Effects tab. Now on the search field we need to type something like mask. One from available options will be Alpha Shapes Mask. We need to drag and drop this effect to our video. And then on default, we will create here a mask based on a rectangle shape. So for example, you can modify size of this rectangle, you can move it somewhere here, everything depends on your preferences, or you can change it to another one shape. To do it, you need to click on shape list. And for example, you can select here triangle. How you see triangle mask have been successfully added here. So now you can change position of this mask, and you can, for example, rotate this mask if you want by changing the tilt settings. Everything depends on the position where you want to insert this mask, yeah? So it will let you to create a really simple shape of mask in your video. And the other option is of course ellipse or diamond. So how you see, we can easily rotate this diamond to create a perfect shape here. So in this way you can modify the mask range. So now if you will play your video, you'll be able to see here that the mask have been successfully added here. So it is how it works. If I helped you to add mask to video, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.